Hi, I'm Phil at Newmarket Harley-Davidson Parts. I'm here to talk to you about aftercare and cleaning your bike. First items are all water activated. We have the classic Sunwash. Put a small amount into a 3-gallon bucket of warm water. Use it to wash the bike down with something like a wash mitt we have here. Very easy, very simple. Alternatively, you can apply it with the Microfibre Cloths. We have the application cloths here. Second item, bug remover. As its name suggests, it is to help you get the pesky little bugs that are stuck all over your screen and over your headlight off, which are normally an absolute pain to get off. Spray the bike with water, spray this on, leave it 5 minutes, wipe it off with a cloth. Wheel and tyre cleaner. Again, water activated. Wet the bike down, spray this on, agitate it with a brush or a heavy cloth. Again, to get rid of heavy marks. It will also clean your white walls on your tyres. And last but not least, really easy, as your name says, quick wash. Again, just wet the bike down, spray this over, leave it 5 minutes, wipe it off with a cloth, and job done. Right, we now talk about the cleaning products that can be applied to the bike dry. First one is for the people with denim paint. If you use a standard cleaner on it, it will ruin the denim finish. This is designed as a spray-on, wipe-off cleaner. It's a very fast evaporating on, so spray it, wipe it, it's gone. Gloss Detailer is designed purely for paintwork and bright items. It's, again, spray-on, buff-off, this one is. Spray Clean and Polish, a slightly different item to the first one. That is designed to do your plastics as well. Again, spray on, wipe off with a soft cloth or a microfiber cloth. Engine Brightner, as its name implies, it's literally to spray onto the engine to bring back the lustre and the look of the engine, keep it looking black and sharp. We then have bare metal polish for those bare wheels on things like Fat Boys that have the bare aluminium wheels, to clean that off. And a chrome polish as well. It's applied on a dry bike with a soft cloth again. Last but not least, the new product, Graphene Coating. Once you've got your bike looking clean and sparkling, this can be applied to act as a water repellent and keep the bike looking smart. The water will bead and run off the bike afterwards. All the products I've talked about are available from Newmarket Harley-Davidson or available on the Lind online website. Thank you.